What's up, Boss Lady Crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all. Three, two, one. Let's go. What's up, Boss Lady Crew? I'm back with another product. Y'all see this? You see this? This is Let Loose Lace Glue Remover, baby. Woo! Cause baby, this stick to me lace glue, baby. This wig is on there. Baby, it's on there. I ain't trying to rip out none of my edges. I'm trying to preserve all edges. Baby, I still got next summer to go. I still got my whole entire life to go. So we're gonna spray some of this. So all you gotta do is look, get a little close. You see that? Can you see that? Let loose, let loose, let loose, let loose, and So you're gonna spray this. You're gonna little shake up a little bit. We're gonna spray this on your hairline. I'm gonna spray this on my hairline, y'all. So y'all watch me do this stuff right here. Keep the mirror right here, son. Let me keep the mirror. Oop, oop. You don't want to get it into your eye. Like I said, I'm trying to preserve all edges. All edges. I mean, a little tie. In case a little drip. You don't want it in your eyes, baby, because it'll burn. You ain't got to wait for the alcohol. I mean, you can use alcohol if you want to, but I prefer to use the Let Loose. I was using alcohol, but sometimes that shit get in your eyes, baby. Then they're blind. Need a see eye. Need a dog to help you to see, baby. So, you gotta get all of them. Like that. Sit on them edges for a minute. For about 30 seconds. I'm spraying a lot. You know, black people don't never use the amount that they were supposed to be using. A dime size amount. Just a little thin layer of it. Forget that. Listen. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it real with you. We need to let this shit sit. Cause I need my edges, baby. I don't know about y'all. But I need them. And we just gonna let it sit for 30 seconds. And see what happened in 30 seconds. Okay. I ain't even got a shot clock right here to tell me when 30 seconds is up. Whoa. You see that? Get up in there. You see that? You see that?
Pause it.
Shit. Look. Y'all see that? It ain't even been 30 seconds. It looking like it's wanna come up. You see that? Ooh, sugar mama. This stuff is working. Ooh, wee. 30 seconds, Simona. 30 seconds. You can wait 30 seconds. Should I spray a little more? Or should I spray a little more? Or should I, if you're impatient, you probably should spray a little more, huh? Or should just wait? I'm very impatient, y'all. Just wait. I think I'm gonna just wait a little bit. Like I said, let loose. Let loose. Let loose. Let loose lace wig. Let loose.
Ma, where they can get that?
You could go on my website at www.bosslacesimone.com and you can order it. Go order it. Go order it. Let loose. 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 And then when you're done, go wash your hair out. Then go put you on another wig. Cause that's what I'm about to do. Boop boop. Look at that. Wait a minute. It wanna loose. Woo. Say 30 seconds now, man. It's coming, y'all. Woo. Woo. I guess I gotta let this sit for a minute.
Jelly bean. You okay? Oh, there we go.
So look. And it's coming off the lace. You see that? And it's good. It's coming off the lace. So when you want to clean off your lace, you just clean off your lace. And that gunk will come off.
What? Now where they can find us again, man?
www.bossladysimone.com. That is the website. You can find it and clean off your lace with it, baby.